What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here with another quick video. So these pieces here I acquired over the last week or so. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I normally showcase Hot Wheels, Matchbox, and M2 for you guys, but today I'm gonna, showcase something different for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. This is the Greenlight 2010 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. I don't remember if I shared with you guys that I'm a sucker for black and white police car. So, this one is definitely one of those pieces. To be honest with you, this is probably my favorite police car thus far. So hopefully I find more, but yeah, so far this is my favorite one. It's really cool. I would open it, guys, but I really don't have the proper storage for them. So to protect it, I'm going to keep it carded for now. So cool. Let's move on to the next one. This is the 2019 Ford F-350 Lariat. This is an NYPD utility vehicle in white and blue. Check out the lights on the hood there. Pretty cool. Check out the Ford emblem there. Check it out. It says NYPD Police on the hood there. Check out the back. Let's see here. Let's check out the side. There, I'm trying to read what it says there. It says courtesy, professionalism, and rapport and respect. There we go. Courtesy, professionalism, and respect. That's pretty cool. Check out that. That's some kind of a police unit number, 2990. It says NYPD on the back there. Check out the Ford emblem. Really nice piece. I'm really happy I found these two pieces. I found these at Hobby Lobby, but you might get lucky and find them as well at Walmart as well. Good luck, guys. These are hot pieces, so hopefully you guys find them. I also went to my local Target and I got lucky with these pieces here. So these are Target exclusive, guys, and it's a set of 6. I did find the whole set, but I did not care for the blue Mustang nor the white VW Crafter. So these are cool. It says here, it has lights and sounds. So it says try me. Push a little button, as you can see. See the little lights there and the sound. It's pretty cool. Nice little red. I don't know. I'm here in California, guys. So this company, Care, is a legit company. It's a these vehicles are, you see them a lot here in the streets. It's a huge company. They assist first responders, transport people who need medical attention. So these are really cool pieces. Check out the detail. You can't go wrong. It's awesome. Next one up is the Chevrolet Silverado. It's a police utility vehicle here. Fire rescue. Says, let's see here. It's got the flames there. It says, it says Division 12. Oh, that's pretty cool. Pretty realistic. Check out the Chevrolet emblem there in gold. It's pretty cool. Check out the lights. Check out the grill there. Check out the Chevy emblem there in gold as well. Awesome piece. I also found the Chevrolet Silverado Highway Patrol vehicle. Check that out. Check out that grill, guys. It also has that that gold. It has the gold Chevy emblem on the grill. Should have it on the back. There it is. Check out the nice little detail on the lights there. Awesome piece. Let's see here. Pretty cool. Last but not least, guys, the Ford Mustang. There you go. It's a pretty cool piece. It sits a little too high, in my opinion. I'm sure there's a reason for that. They probably had to put like the little sound box or whatever so that it makes the sound and the lights effect there. But you know, it's still a pretty cool piece. I'll you know, when I open it, you know, I'll find a way to drop it a little bit, you know, so that it sits lower. But anyways, guys, it's a pretty cool piece. It says police in gold there. It says dedicated to serve on the side. Check out the detail on the back. Those backlights, you know, red. You see the little Mustang emblem there. And again, guys, I do apologize. I would open them, but again, I do not have the proper storage case to put these in. So I like to really take care of my my pieces. You know, I don't want to, you know, open it up and, you know, drop it or something, and for it to get damaged or anything. You know, I know some of these pieces can be worth, you know, some money over time. So, you know, for the time being, I'm going to keep them carded and guarded. So this is pretty cool. Hope you guys find them. They're hitting Target stores right now, so make sure you go look for these guys. Anyways, guys, that is all for today. Hope you guys have a great week. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.